Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade pip in PyCharm. Start by opening your PyCharm project. Once your project is loaded, navigate to the bottom of your screen to find the terminal window. This is where we will execute the necessary commands. It's a straightforward process that ensures your package installer is always up to date, preventing potential issues with new package installations. Before upgrading, it's good practice to check your current pip version. In the terminal, simply type pip version and hit enter. This command will show you the exact version number you currently have installed. Knowing this helps you verify that the upgrade was successful and that you are running the latest version of pip. Now for the main event, upgrading pip. In the terminal, type Python mpip install upgrade pip and press enter. This command tells Python to use its module runner to upgrade pip itself. The process is usually very quick, often completing in just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection and system speed. To ensure the upgrade was successful, let's recheck the pip version. Type pip version into the terminal one more time and press enter. You should see a new, higher version number displayed, confirming that pip has been successfully updated. Congratulations, your PyCharm environment now has the latest pip, ready for all your package management needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.